Long ago, in a mountain village surrounded by forests, lived a blacksmith named Aarav. His forge burned brighter than any other, and his tools were known for their strength. Farmers trusted his plows, warriors trusted his blades. Aarav believed his worth lived in fire and iron. One winter, an accident changed everything. A piece of hot iron slipped, and Aarav's arm burned badly. The wound healed, but his strength did not return the same way. His hammer felt heavier. His strikes grew slower. The iron bent when it should have obeyed. Slowly, people stopped coming. They visited other forges and whispered that Aarav had lost the fire and that his hands were no longer steady. Aarav heard every word. Each night, he stood before the silent forge and told himself that iron breaks, fire weakens, and so had he. He believed he was broken. One morning, he closed the forge and walked toward the hills, where he saw an old bridge being repaired. Workers heated iron bars, struck them again and again, and plunged the glowing metal into cold water. Sparks filled the air. Aarav watched closely. One piece cracked and was removed without anger. Another was heated longer, struck slower, and cooled with care. A gray-haired smith noticed Aarav and spoke gently, saying that metal which shatters is useless, but metal that bends is being shaped. He added that iron which never meets fire stays weak, and iron that stays too long in fire burns away, and that true strength comes from knowing when to heat and when to rest. Those words followed Aarav home. He lit his forge again, but not as before. He worked slowly. He rested when pain came. He struck fewer blows, but each one was careful. He let the iron cool, and he allowed himself to do the same. Days passed, then weeks. His tools were different now. Not sharper, but stronger. Not faster, but steadier. Each piece carried marks of patience, not force. People returned. One farmer held a tool and said it would last a lifetime. Aarav smiled, because in that moment he understood the truth hidden in the fire. He was never broken. He was being tempered. Moral of story: pain can make you stronger, not weaker.